friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jieyu. I'm a part-time watercolor artist. I like to paint Tang Dynasty monochromatic watercolor portraits. So far, I've created 80 of them, and today we're gonna paint number 81 together. My art studio is also my work from home office. It's really small, basically just a desk and a storage shelf, but I'm deeply grateful for it. I know how hard I've worked to get here. And I feel incredibly lucky to have a job I love while also being able to pursue my passion for art. Before we start painting, let's have some tea. This time, we're having sticky rice pu'er tea. It has a lovely sticky rice flavor. Today we're gonna paint with this color. It is Schmincke Super Granulation Haze Pink. Why do some watercolors granulate? There are many reasons. For example, mineral-based pigments like Daniel Smith Chromatic watercolors are made from minerals that may not dissolve completely in water, creating a textured effect as they dry. Additionally, some non-mineral pigments with larger, heavier particles also tend to granulate in water. Schmincke Haze Pink contains two pigments, PR233 Potter's Pink and PB36 Cobalt Chromite Blue-Green. Both of them are granulating pigments. Potter's Pink is a heavier, denser pigment that tends to settle quickly in water, leading to strong granulation. Cobalt Chromite is also granulating but behaves differently in water, moving at a different rate. When these two pigments mix together in Schmincke Haze Pink, they not only granulate but also exhibit color separations due to their different movement speeds and behaviors in water. The more water you use, the stronger these effects become, as the pigments have more space to move at their natural speeds before settling on paper. When it comes to granulating watercolors, you either love them or hate them. They are beautiful but can be challenging to control. The technique I use most often is softening the edges to create a smooth transition from dark to light. If you are interested, you can check out the tutorial in my earlier technique video. The brushes I'm using are Chinese calligraphy brushes made by Liuhehui Brush Studio. They are soft, absorbent, and very pointy, perfect for painting details. Now I'm using the wet on wet technique to ensure there is enough water for the granulating pigments to flow. I apply a layer of clean water before adding color to the paper. Because the brush is too wet, some paint splutters unexpectedly. That's okay, I can fix it before it completely dries. To fix mistakes, I use a clean brush to lift off the paint and then dry the surface with clean tissue paper. When painting with watercolor, you have to trust the process because it often looks messy before it becomes beautiful. The first layer of color is usually uneven, lacking smoothness and contrast. If that's the case, you can layer additional colors to cover up any flaws, enhance the contrast, and create smoother transitions. However, it's important to remember that the first 1 or 2 layers should be light enough to allow for layering darker shadows later on. Here is the number 81 watercolor friend. Do you like the granulating color? Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.